Hello everyone, my name is Aksh Suryavanshi. I got an All India rank 35 in NEET UG 2022 and I am presently studying at my dream college of AIIMS Delhi. Today I am going to discuss with you the benefits of NCERT Booster Program, which we usually would call NBP. NCERT Booster Program focuses on the sole book, that is NCERT, which is important from the NEET point of view. It is important that during this period, you should focus solely on the NCERT rather than dividing your attention between NCERT and some additional books. During this period, we would be pre-assigned some chapters which we would usually read one day before, and the next day we would be asked questions in the form of polls. The polls really helped me because the polls were solely based on the NCERT. After the polls, there would be usually discussion of the mistakes that we did in the polls, me and my batchmates, and after that we would thoroughly read the NCERT line by line. So if there would be some sort of ambiguity, then the teacher would clarify for us. It would usually happen that some chapters or some specific topics of the chapters were weak of some either of me or my batchmates, so we would have one-on-one discussion with the teacher. It was poll-led revision and discussion class in which we would usually discuss our mistakes, and majority of the time of the class was actually devoted to reading NCERT line by line, and any ambiguity was clarified by the teacher for us. And the NCERT Booster Program also helps you from a different point of view, that it helps you to improve your score in the board exams. Because for the board exams, the NCERT is the only book and it gives you sort of a subjective viewpoint. During the polls, it is important that we make a mistake notebook. The mistakes that we would usually do, and we should read the mistakes that we did on a weekly basis, after every week, so that we should not repeat these mistakes. Usually the mistakes that I used to make were like, you can say that I would read a question too quickly, so I would miss some important points like not correct or correct, incorrect, true, false. So what is important that with pace you should also have accuracy. Apart from the polls, the NCERT Booster Program has two additional test series, that is the NBTS, which is a part syllabus test, and the NATS, which is a full syllabus test, and it is actually the previous year question, which gives you the feeling of actual NEET examination and tells you where you actually stand among your peers. The NCERT Booster Program is a very high intensity program. It is going to be filled of highs and lows. There are going to be some time where you are scoring very good, and there are going to be some time when you are not scoring so good. During that time of stress, you can look to your teachers, faculty, mentors, as well as your friends. I would conclude by wishing all the medical aspirants who are going to be appearing in NEET 2023 all the best.